Hey guys, my name is Lucus Keele, and today I will show you how to make peanut butter protein balls. First, you will need a bowl, oatmeal, honey, chocolate chips, and peanut butter. For our first ingredient, we're going to add a cup of oats. Next, we will add a half a cup of chocolate chips. Next, we will add a cup of peanut butter. Unless you like peanut butter like me and you want to go overboard. Next, we will add our honey. This is what helps us roll it into little balls. Next, we will mix all the ingredients together. Once you're about done, this is what your mixture should look like. Next, you need to wet your hands, that way you can easily roll out the balls. These balls can be as little or as big as you would like. You roll them out with your hand. I usually use like about the middle of my hand, just roll them around like this. And just place them on your plate. You should get a decent amount of balls for these. Now after you get done rolling all your balls out, you need to put these in the fridge and let them sit for about 30 minutes. And then you can do what I do, and I put them in a bag, or you can leave them in the plate if you would like, and then you can eat them for breakfast. They have a lot of protein in them, and they honestly give you a lot of energy for the day. This is how you make peanut butter protein balls. Thank you so much for watching.